Hello everyone, my name is Mutra Enoch and we are going to revise together Biology, the paper that was written by the external candidate GCE in 2018 under urinary system. The question reads, figure 3.0 shows part of the urinary system. So urinary system, that is just the what system responsible in the removal of the waste product from the body, and it involves the kidney. So they are saying, question 1a, they are saying name the part labeled O, Q and R. So O, that is what we call the vena cava, because it is taking blood toward the what? Toward the heart. And then Q, that is what we call the ureter, the tube that is responsible for transportation of urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. And then R, that is just the urinary bladder, the part that is responsible for temporary storage of what? Urine before excretion. So we can start answering. So like I said, the part labeled O, that is what we call the vena cava, vena cava, vena cava. And then Q, that is what we call the ureter, ureter. And then R, that is just the urinary bladder. So we can proceed to the second question. So second question, they are saying suggest the three substances excreted by the excretory organ shown in the party labeled 3. So the organs or excretory organs that are responsible for the removal of waste product, they are kidneys. These two pair, a pair of kidney. So under excretion, you find to say that waste product like excess water, excess salt and urea are excreted from the body through urine, because urine, that is just the mixture of urea, excess water, excess salt, and yeah. So from there we can answer also question 2. So question 2, three substances that are excreted from the body. So number 1, that is urea, excess salt and excess water. So these are three substances that are excreted from the excretory organ that is shown in that question through urine. So we proceed. So B, they are saying give one example of a small regulatory function of the kidney. So one thing that you should bear in mind is that there are various processes that occurs in the kidney during urine formation. So osmoregulation is one of them. So osmoregulation, that is just the maintenance of what? Water level in the body. So osmoregulatory function is that there is a regulation of what? Water level in the body. So we can answer regulation of water level in the body. That is an example. So example, that is regulation of water level in the body. So this same regulation of water level in the body takes place in the part of the kidney, or the basic unit function of the kidney called the nephron, specifically in the loop of Henry. So we proceed to C. So C, they are saying identify two disorders that might affect the excretory system shown. So one disorder that can affect the urinary system is what we call the kidney failure. So kidney failure, that is just the malfunction of the kidney, where the kidney fails to perform its function properly. And then we have the second one called the kidney nephritis. That is where the nephron become inflamed, and they fail to perform their function properly. So see, three disorders. So one, that is kidney failure, malfunction of the kidney. Second one, that is just kidney nephritis, the inflammation of the nephron. Another one, if you want, you can put kidney stone. So these are the possible solutions that we are supposed to be at that question. So please don't forget to share, like and subscribe, so that whenever I post the new video, you are able to watch. See you in the next video.